Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the file and environment. Open Excel and locate the workbook in protected view so you can reproduce the issue. Make a backup copy first. Once done, go to File to Access options because that's where protection controls live. Make sure you're signed into your Windows or Office account and note whether you need admin privileges. If you do, plan to request them. This avoids surprises when you change Trust Center settings in the next step. Now you adjust Trust Center. Go to File, choose Options, and open Trust Center settings. This is the control hub for Protected View. Once there, select Protected View and uncheck only the boxes that match your scenario, for example, files from the internet or potentially unsafe locations. Don't disable everything. Leave other protections if you want layered security. Make sure to click OK to apply changes. If you're unsure which to clear, target the single source that triggered Protected View for minimal risk. Finish by testing the change. Close Excel and reopen the workbook. It should open normally now rather than in Protected View. If it remains blocked, right-click the file in Windows Explorer, choose Properties, and click Unblock if present, then reopen. Make sure to revert overly broad Trust Center changes if you detect unexpected behavior. If problems persist, restore your backup and re-enable protections. Then try disabling only the specific Protected View checkbox that matches the file source to limit exposure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.